Good morning children and welcome to the online session of English Literature of class 7. In the previous class, we completed the chapter Big Brother till page number 14 and we were in this particular paragraph. So I'll read further and I'll explain you. In the next annual exams, I passed and my brother failed yet again. Now, the narrator of the story, who is the narrator of the story? The younger brother, and he's telling this story regarding his elder brother. Okay, whatever advice he used to get from his elder brother, and how his elder brother used to explain, used to guide him, and he used to tell him how to live his life, how to not waste his time in playing. So here in these paragraphs we already saw that his elder brother had warned him. He had warned him about the challenges that he would face in near future when he would reach higher classes. He might face these challenges when he would study these subjects, history, English and mathematics. But what happened? After hearing all this advice, his younger brother started to live in fear. But, however, what happened? In the next annual exam, his younger brother passed out while his elder brother failed yet again. As usual, his elder brother failed while he passed out, and that too with first division. Okay, I don't think that I had worked very hard and was fairly surprised that I got a first division. On the contrary, my brother literally buried himself in books, putting in long hours in studies. He had grown pale. He failed, and this time I felt sorry for him. When the results were declared, my brother broke down and cried. I cried with him. I almost forgot about my success. So he said that even though he did not study very hard, he still managed to pass with first division. On the other hand, his brother, he failed in spite of studying, day and night. What happened? He literally buried himself in books, putting in long hours in studies. He used to study, all day, but still he failed, like always. He had grown pale. Pale means his, the facial expression had grown pale because he had failed. He might be very stressed. He might be, filled with sorrow, and that's why his face, he had grown pale. Grown pale means he looked sad. Of course, he would be sad because he failed, yet another time. He failed, and this time I felt sorry for him. He says that this time I felt very sorry for my elder brother, for he failed. When the results were declared, my brother broke down. So this time he saw that, after the results were declared, his brother, he broke down, he cried. He cried his heart out. Why he cried? Because he was very, very, disappointed to have failed, again and again he was failing. So he felt very, very disappointed, and therefore he cried a lot, and he too cried with his brother. He sympathized with his brother. I almost forgot about my success. So even though the narrator had passed, with the first division, he had forgotten about his success. Why? Because his elder brother had failed again. Next para. Nevertheless, the evil thought crossed my mind that if he failed once more, we would be in the same class and there would be no scope for his lectures. So he's saying that an evil thought is coming into his mind. What is this evil thought? You can say that this is a naughty thought. Here it means a naughty thought. What was that thought? That if his elder brother fails, again next time, what will happen? They both will end up studying in the same class, which will be very, very shameful for this younger brother. And but at the same time there would be no scope for his lectures. He will fail and both of them will study in the same class, but this younger brother will not get any chance, will not have to listen to his lectures. If it again it happens that his brother fails, his elder brother fails, he will be in the both will be in the same class, and he will not have to listen to his lectures anymore, because they will both study in the same class. So there is an element of humor also here, you can say, because this is a thought that he has, this is a kind of naughty thought, and it's a little bit funny, because he is he is predicting something, and he feels why he feels that he will not have to listen to his lectures, because his brother will fail, and both of them will be studying in the same class. But the next moment I was ashamed of my thoughts and chided myself. But suddenly he reminded of himself that this is a wrong thought. He was ashamed of his thoughts, and he corrected himself that no, this is not right. I should not be thinking about my elder brother in this way. After all, it was only for my good that he scolds me. Thereafter, my brother changed his behavior towards me. So he corrected himself by thinking that it is only for my good that my brother scolds me. He's just trying to correct his own thoughts. At first he got a very naughty thought, but then he corrected himself by thinking that his brother cares for him, and he scolds him only for his good. Thereafter my brother changed his behavior. So what happened after having failed so many times, now the behavior of his brother started to change towards his younger brother, towards this narrator. Several times an occasion arose when I deserved a scolding, but he walked to me in a gentle manner. Perhaps he had realized that he had not have the right to lecture me anymore. Now, whenever whenever there was a time where his younger brother, he used to do something wrong, and he deserved to be scolded, yet he was not scolded by his elder brother. Why? Because his younger brother is saying that maybe he had realized, maybe his brother had realized that since he had failed so many times, he himself has no right to give any advice, any piece of advice, or give any scoldings, any lecture to his younger brother, because he himself is not good at studies. Now next para. My independence grew and I began to take undue advantage of his tolerance. So he began to grow overconfident. Okay, his independence grew. Whose independence grew? The younger brother, the narrator who is speaking this, who is saying all these things in the story. Okay, who is narrating this story. My independence grew. So he started to become very independent, the younger brother, and he started to become very, very overconfident, and he started to take undue advantage of his tolerance. Whose tolerance? His elder brother's tolerance. Because he knew that his elder brother had failed so many times, and now he is not going to lecture him, he is not going to scold him for any wrongdoings. And so he grew confident. I presumed that I would pass the next time too, whether I studied or not. So he became so overconfident, this younger brother, that I would be able to pass any exam without studying, because I am very intelligent and very smart. He is thinking too smart of himself. The little amount of time that I had devoted to studies earlier was spent in play. So now as he started to grow overconfident, his time was spent in playing and not in studying. Earlier he used to study more, but now he spent his time